Our HSS-DMO6 CrAl coated saw blade is specially designed for cutting difficult-to-machine materials such as stainless steel. Real-world testing showed it cuts 300 for stainless steel, square tripping with a smooth, burr-free, and deformation-free cut, eliminating the need for secondary grinding and significantly improving work efficiency. Compatible with various general-purpose cutting machines, it is widely used in steel structure processing, furniture manufacturing, pipe installation, and other applications. HSS saw industry, we offer a full range of specifications and support customization.